Okay, we are going to start with the second problem, students. X Company Limited issued 10,000 shares of 100 each. Amount was payable here, rupees 10 on application, rupees 40 on allotment, rupees 50 on first and final call. Okay, so you're going to write the format, journal entries in the books of X Company Limited. Yes, so write date, particulars, LF and their ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. First entry for what you have to write here, that is rupees 10 on application. First application, you get two entries will come. Yes, I will write here. First, application money received, always same, it is for all the problems. Bank account debtor to share application account. So what is the entry? Why bank account debtor? Because company is receiving and company receives bank alli assets increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So bank account debit, bank account debtor to share application account. Write the narration. Being a share application money received on 10,000 shares at rupees 10 per share. Okay, how you write the amount? Okay, I will tell you. See, how many shares are there? Total 10,000. Okay, application rate eshtiде 10. So 10,000 into 10. Okay, so total shares is how much here? I'm writing 10,000 into rate is what? Application rate is 10. So multiply madi. When you multiply, what you get? Yes, you will get here 1 lakh, isn't it? So here credit side you will write 1 lakh. Okay, yes, write the narration. Being a share application money received on how many shares? 10,000 shares at rupees, what is rupees 10 per share. Okay, yes, first entry is done. Now the second entry is a share application account debtor to share capital account. Yes, share application account debtor to share capital account. Yes, amount is same amount you will copy and write it. Yes, for all the problem students, this method is the same entry ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, write the narration. Be in a share application money transferred to share capital account. Yes, be in a share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay, application ಗೆ two entries, 1 2 is done. Now we will pass the third entry. Third entry for what? Here, rupees 40 on allotment. Application ಗೆ two entries we did, finished. Now rupees 40 on allotment anta ide. Allotment ಗೆ two entries will come. See here, share allotment account debtor. See, share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Yes, share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Yes, what is the money you will write? Okay, shares is how much? Total shares is 10,000. Yes, E 10,000 number of shares into what is the allotment rate they have given in the question? Allotment to the rate is a 40. See, 10,000 shares into 40. Idu. See, in application what you did? 10,000 into 10 you did. No. Now in allotment you should do 10,000 into 40. Okay. So 10,000 into 40 you do. So when you multiply you will get yes 4 lakh. Okay. Same amount comes here. Yes. Okay. Correct. Now next for the allotment money received. Yavudu students money received andre bank account debtor ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Because when money comes it increases in the bank. A bank is an asset. When asset increases it is debited. You have learned that in first year PUC. So bank account debtor to share allotment account. Bank account debtor to share allotment account. How much money it has received? This 4 lakh. Okay, same amount you will copy and write now. Okay, students, this method is same for all the problems. Okay, yes, so write the narration. Be in a share allotment money received on 10,000 shares at rupees 40 per share. So be in a allotment money received on 10,000 shares at rupees 40 per share. See students, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ it is all how to remember, it is very big no narration, but I will tell you for all the 12 problems ಎಷ್ಟು problems ಇದೆಲ್ಲ narration is the same. So 4-5 problems if you keep solving, no, automatic it will come on your mind. Yes, being share allotment money received on 10,000 shares at rupees 40 per share. Yes, okay, 40 per share ಆಯ್ತು. Now next you have to pass the entries here. In the question application is done, 2 entries. Allotment 2 entries are done. Now rupees 50 on first and final call. So first and final call ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು 2 entries are coming. For all 2 entries students. application to entry, allotment to entry. Now first and final call rate is C 50. 2 entries need to be passed. See how I'm writing here. Share first and final call account debtor to share capital account. Yes, it is similar to like this. ಈಗ allotment ಗೆ how did you pass entry? Share allotment account debtor to share capital ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್. ಆದ್ರೆ here allotment ಅಲ್ಲ, share first and final call account debtor to share capital account. Okay, yes. Amount how to write? Here total shares amount is how much? 10,000. Number total shares is 10,000 into first and final call money is how much? First and final call rate is a 50. So into 50 you should do. Yes, when you do 50, when you multiply, you will get 5 lakh. Okay, so here also same amount after that. Yes, so share first and final call account debtor to share capital account. B, share first and final call account money received on 10,000 shares. ಎಷ್ಟು shares? 10,000 shares at 50 per share. Yes, so ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ share first and final call money due on due ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, but it has to receive, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. On how many shares? 10,000 shares. Yes, at rupees how much? 50 per share. Yes, okay, so same. ಈ third entry and fifth entry is the same, only here allotment word, here a first and final call word will come. Yes, see. After that what was the entry? Bank account debtor to share allotment. No, here same, bank account debtor to allotment alla, share first and final call account. If you see now students, third ಮತ್ತು fourth entry is very similar to fifth and sixth entry. Here allotment word ಬರ್ತದೆ. See, share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Same fifth entry you see, share allotment alla, share first and final call account to share capital. Here see, bank account debtor to share allotment. Sixth nodi, bank account debtor to share first and final call, because here share first and final call money you are receiving, the company is receiving. Company receive ಆದರೆ assets increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ in the bank increases ಅಂದ್ರೆ debit side. Yes, bank account debtor to share first and final call account. But money what you will write? Is there any adjustment? Yes, there is adjustments here. The money was duly received except the first and final call on 2,000 shares. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು 10,000 shares ಮೇಲೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 2,000 shares ಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಡೂ? 10,000 minus 2,000 you need to do, that much only. I will tell it once again students. See, total number shares are 10,000. Okay, but here what they are telling, in the except the first and final call 2,000 shares money is not received. Yes, andre on this, see, money was duly received except andre on first and final call 2,000 shares mele receives money has not received. So 10,000 minus 2,000 you will do. Yes, so 10,000 minus 2,000 is how much students? Yes, it is 8,000, isn't it? 10,000 minus 2,000 is 8,000. So how I'm writing here? See, 8,000 into rate of first and final call is 50 given in the question, into 50 ಮಾಡಿ. Why did I write 8,000? Yes, once again I will tell the e sentence anu nodi. The money duly received except first and final call on 2,000. So 2,000 ಮೇಲೆ shares ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So 10,000 minus 2,000 is 8,000. So I have written here 8,000 into 50. Why I have written 50? First and final call rate is 50 given in the question. When you multiply you will get here 4 lakh. Okay, so you will get here 4 lakh. Fine, please write the entry narration bean. Please write this bean word. Okay, I have not written here also, please write it. Okay, bean share first and final call money received on how many shares? 8,000 shares at rupees 50 per share. Yes, what you should write narration bean share first and final call money received on how many share? 8,000 shares at 50 per share. Yes, okay. Now the most, so did you understand? Application ige 2 entries, bank account debtor to share application account debtor to share capital, 2 entries. Allotment ige 2 entries, share allotment account debtor to share capital account, bank account debtor to share allotment. Next for share capital is first and final call ಮತ್ತು ಈ third 4 entries same. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ allotment you should not write, you should write a first and final call. bank account debtor to share first and final call. Yes, okay, first 6 entries are done. Now the most important entry for a forfeiture, please ignore this red line, okay? Yes, now what they're telling, see, the directors forfeited the shares. Each sentence ige one entry will come. This is the 7th entry. The directors forfeited the shares. Forfeited andre they have cancelled the shares. The directors of the company cancelled ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ share. So forfeiture ige entry is a share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to share first and final call account. I will repeat it once again. ಈ word forfeiture ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ, directors forfeited the shares. Forfeiture ಗೆ ಈ 7th entry will come. Yes, that is share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to share first and final call account. Yes, how to write the money? On how many shares money is not received? ಎಷ್ಟು shares ಮೇಲೆ money is not received here? ಈ 2000. So 2000 is ಈಗ focus ಈಗ, not 10,000 now, okay? 2000. So see how I'm writing here. See here 2000 into, for this also 2000 into, for this also 2000 into. Yes, share capital rate is how much as? What is the share capital rate? Is rupees 100. Okay, so into 100. Share capital 100. First and final call rate is how much? First and final call rate is 50, isn't it? Yes, so I'm writing here 50. Yes, 50 minus 100 is how much? Yes, it is 50. Okay, so you multiply. When you multiply this, you will get, yes, 2 lakh. When multiply this, don't write here this side. It is credited here, 2 credited. Andre, when you multiply, it will become 10 lakh. Sorry, 1 lakh. When you multiply this, you will get 1 lakh. Please same line alli write. Nimma entry alli ide alla ade line alli irbeku. Your entry should be in the same line. Okay, so what did I do? Journal entry enu share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to share first and final call. Why did I write 2000? Because those shares were cancelled. Forfeit agide, ide shares forfeit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, director forfeited these shares andre e shares. So 2000 into 2000 into 2000. 100 I wrote here. Why did I write here 100? Share capital. That 100 is this. Yes. Why did I write here 50? First and final call. First and final call rate is 50. So 50 I wrote here. 100 minus 50 idu 50 here. So here this how it came. 100 minus 50 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It will come 50. Multiply, it will come it. Now next entry is what they are telling sentence. Director forfeited the shares. Entry is the 7th entry. Now reissue at 80 per share. The shares are reissued. Reissued ige entry number 8. That is bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to share capital account. I'll repeat once again. Reissue ige entry is entry number 8. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to share capital account. Yes, amount how to write? Yes, how many shares reissue agide? 2000. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನೇ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. See, 2000 shares were cancelled. Now these same shares they are reissuing. Again company is giving to the public into. So 2000 into. So 2000 into. Rate how much? What is the rate? Just now they told. What they have told? Rate 80 per share ante. So here into 80. Yes. Share capital rate, yes, it is 100 always. It is given 100. So same. 100 minus 80 is how much? 20. That 20 you put here. Multiply. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1,60,000. Here I am writing here 40,000. See, debtor ಇದೆ. Both are in debtor and debtor side you should write. Multiply this, you will get 2 lakh. Sorry, you should write here. Many do that mistakes, okay? Write in the same line. Here badide tappu. Should come here. Yes, 2000 into 80 reissue rate share capital minus ಮಾಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Last given entry is a forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. That is for being balance of a forfeited shares account transferred to capital account. Yes, see your narration I think I have not told here. 7th entry forfeiture ಗೆ narration was a Bean forfeiture of 2000 shares for non-payment of first and final call. This entry I told, no? Money I have told. Here one narration you need to write. What you'll write? Bean a forfeiture of how many shares? 2000 shares. For what? Non-payment of first and final call money. 2000 shares, they have not given first and final call. So, non-payment of first and final call. Yes, narration for this, that is Bean. Please write here Bean reissue of how many shares? 2000 shares. Forfeited at rupees 80 per share. Yes, reissue agide shares at rupees 80 per share. Last is forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. Here amount how to write? It is easy, students. Here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ forfeiture amount how much you got? 1 lakh. Here forfeiture amount how much you got? 40,000. So 1 lakh minus 40,000 you should do. When you minus it, you will get 60,000. What did I do? E forfeited shares, which is credited, E amount minus E amount debited, forfeited shares. E forfeited how many times? Illi forfeiture account entry there. Forfeited share account entry is here. So both amount you have to minus it. When you minus, you will get ide entry pass madu. So right, be in a balance of forfeited share account transferred to capital reserve after reissue. Yes, be in a balance of forfeiture. Balance alla. Balance andre enu minus madidvi. Balance of forfeited share account transferred to capital reserve account after reissue. Okay, let me tell you, students, all the problems you get journal entry same ide. So this is one of the easiest chapter. Journal entries one correct if you study is enough. Okay, thank you.